जो फिकी का सेमिनार है 100 स्मार्ट सिटीज का, इसमें डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा बात कर रहे हैं इस समय। चलते हैं सीधे वहां पर।
August audience, ladies and gentlemen, I just came this morning from my hometown Hisar in Haryana, and yesterday virtually I was mobbed by the citizens of Hisar, complaining that the power tariff of the whole Haryana and cities have gone more than 3 times in last 2 weeks. And they thought as if I am either Chief Minister of Haryana or at least Power Minister of Haryana. But certainly, and this clubbed with the experience of one of our companies in distribution of power in some of the states, cities. And that experience is relevant for the smart cities, Honorable Minister Sir, that today in India, almost stated losses of the distribution in the power sector. When power is delivered at the city's nodal point to the billing of the houses, if you add that, stated losses are almost 30%. But unofficially they say that this figure could be 37 to 38%. And unless this distribution sector is reformed, power problem will exist to great extent in our country. What happens in the cities, which we have learned through our smart utility as a business we have been doing for last 7 years, and power is one of them, that only few people in the city, maybe 50 or 100 people in a city, like for example we are doing in Nagpur, in Maharashtra. So only about 50 to 100 people, those who are used to not paying the bills, power bills. And one gentleman, a builder, was running a racket even to the extent that in one colony, 1,000 houses, he was billing instead of the government billing it and collecting the money. But then they say, oh, you have privatized, and so that's why there is a problem. So the reason I mentioned this thing, first thing, because in this, when we want to make a smart city, as Mr. Pradeep Puri said, that it cannot be a business as usual. We will have to not only make our cities smart by use of technology, by use of various things, but we will have to make the smart people also to manage that and to run that operation. At the same time, the scheme which Government of India, Honorable Prime Minister and our Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Ji has brought, I think this is a way scheme by which central and state government, when they give a corpus of 1,000 crores of rupees, I think raising further funds will be not so impossible, but it will be difficult, but it can be arranged. With the 1,000 crore being there, and if you bring a private partner as a even 49%, they bring 1,000 crores. With 2,000 crore equity being there in the SPV, I think further money of 20-30,000 crore for each city can be raised through various ways and means. And I'm sure FICCI has put together a document which will certainly prove that it is doable thing. But sir, I would like to mention that we have already done an agreement with one state government for one city already. And we feel that in that city we will require an investment of close to 40,000 crores in next 7 years. And the way we have gone about it, I like to explain to this august audience. We are working as if this city is equivalent to a country and nothing less than a country, except not running the currency and not running the border security forces. Other than these two, we will have to do everything possible, Mrs. Puri. Because अगर वहां के युवकों को आप रोजगार नहीं देंगे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट की चिंता नहीं करेंगे अगले आने वाले 20 सालों में, अगर उस शहर में इफ यू विल नॉट क्रिएट environment that you will attract for investment from outside other cities as well as from other countries directly into the city's growth will not take place, and all inclusive development which you want to create in a city looking at the future of after 30 years will not take place. Mr. Kaushik may be a little bit disappointed when I say that technology for us to build a smart city could be an enabler. It's not an end to the mean, or rather it can be means to an end, and not everything. Because I think human brain and creativity is very, very important. Technology can be a partner in that. That's what we feel, and that's the only way person like me who will not be kind of scared from word technology and what you call in technological jargon. So that is what way we have overall looked at. And of course I do feel, and the government may consider this, that the involvement of the private sector is probably going to be essential, because the private sector of India has been providing services, has been providing efficiency tools to the multinationals, to the global world, and I'm sure private sector can partner and provide the same thing to the local governments and to the local authorities to bring the city smart. I was in Romania last year, went to a development in the city which was recreated in the sense, and was happy to see that in one 10 square kilometer area, and within that they have created clusters and communities. In one single community there is every kind of society, people, lower income group, middle income group, higher income group, extra rich, they are all living in one single community. And that reminded me of my childhood. When my house in Hisar in Haryana, my neighbor was a barber, his house was there. Next door there was a military ex-serviceman, major, retired, and we could see that his moustache was quite long and he used to run around and whenever there was any problem of theft or anything, he would always be there for the community. There was a Brahmin next door living as well, who would teach the community's children. So, and which is today unfortunately missing, Honorable Minister Sir, because of the cost of land, cost of houses in the urban cities become so very high that people of lower income group have moved away from colonies which are getting more and more expensive, and with the result the community's self-sustained environment where the communities could help each other, come together each other, that fabric has broken. So I think that is another aspect we would like to do in a smart city, where you can provide good living, wholesome living for every section of the society with nice, clean environment. And there are, in Japan, Hitachi being our partner, we saw a city in Japan which was, Jyotsnaji, so polluted city because of industrial thing. Without removing those industries, they have made that city, the air quality has become so clean that it was amazing for us to see. So those are the basic situations. The coming to water, electricity, sewage treatment, municipal solid waste management, all these are definitely essential part, and we have to provide, and our company is already experienced in all these areas. We are doing a lot of activities in many cities, and generally those are the kind of things, and certainly we have to see that the city which we take should economically develop. It should be developing in terms of economy, social, and every which way, and grow this city in next 30 years to a level that I would say that India has got an advantage at the moment. In this space, we may not have worked, country may not have taken steps for the last 30, 40, 50 years, but this is the time for us to leapfrog, and I think we can do it. And as I would close my remarks by saying that our smart city concept is also part of Make in India, which we will do our own modeling rather than importing a modeling of a smart city, and show the world that this is another way to make a smart city, which is a wholesome and all-encompassing environment for giving everything to everybody. Thank you very much for patience. Thank you.
तो ये थे एसएल ग्रुप के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा, और इनफैक्ट एसएल ग्रुप का जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आर्म है एसएल इंफ्रा, उनके भी कई प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं स्मार्ट सिटीज डेवलप करने के लिए, और स्मार्ट सिटी में किस तरह से जो कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट है वो हो सकता है, उस पर ये बात कर रहे थे. बट पिकिंग अप फ्रॉम दिस, मेघना, जो सरकार ने इतनी सारी स्कीम्स लॉन्च की हैं, एंड स्मार्ट सिटी इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी एम्बिशियस प्रोजेक्ट, फिर जो कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड्स है वो भी कम हो रही है, लेंडिंग रेट्स कम हो रहे हैं. So have you added any real estate stock आपके पोर्टफोलियो में lately?
Mir, I think one stock that I've been suggesting is LIC Housing Finance, बिकॉज जिस हिसाब से हम क्रेडिट ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं एक फेस्टिव सीजन भी आ रहा है, तो रिटेल पार्टिसिपेशन जो होगी वो ऑटोमोबाइल्स एंड हाउसिंग लोन्स में काफ़ी हद तक बढ़ेगी. एंड ये इम्पैक्ट आपको एकदम से तो नहीं बट 3-4 क्वार्टर्स में डेफिनेटली देखने को मिलेगा. एंड प्लस LIC हाउसिंग इट हैज़ लॉट ऑफ आइडल कैश लाइंग विद द कंपनी. एंड सेकेंड मैंने एक स्टॉक रिकमेंड आई प्रिफर इज एशियन पेंट्स. एशियन पेंट्स के साथ आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि हालांकि स्टॉक में थोड़ा कंसोलिडेशन.
मैं यहाँ पर आपको एक सेकंड के लिए रोकना चाहूंगी. चलते हैं वापस फिक्की के समिट में जहाँ पर स्मार्ट सिटीज का डिस्कशन हो रहा है. वहाँ पर अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर वेंकैया नायडू भी कुछ बोल रहे हैं. आइए सुनते हैं.
मौसमी रॉय, delegates for this smart city session, captains of industry, representatives of some foreign companies also are here, brothers and sisters. First of all, I shall appreciate the FICCI for their timing of this conference on smart cities. This week, I was in France, came today morning straight here. I went there to attend a World Congress on Intelligent Transport Systems, and is directly coming from there to take part in this smart city meeting of the FICCI. What I have seen there in Bordeaux, France, about intelligent transport systems, really amazing. The world is moving faster. We also has to move faster. We cannot lag behind. New ideas, new technologies, taking care of environmental aspects, cost effectiveness, aspirations of the new generation, new innovations, putting them into practice. Really very, very impressive. 30 ministers from across the globe, they all joined together. We all made a declaration in the coming days, years. All of us will be moving towards intelligent transport system. That will take care of even these emissions also, take care of the environment, and also address the problems of congestion, tension, pollution, and other related issues. Friends,
जी, तो आप सुन रहे थे अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर वेंकैया नायडू को स्मार्ट सिटीज के ऊपर डिस्कशन करते हुए. लेकिन अब वक्त है आपका बाजार को यहीं समेटने का. मेघना, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. आपकी तरफ से कोई डिस्क्लोजर्स?
आई डोंट हैव एनी पोजीशन इन द स्टॉक्स वी डिस्कस्ड.
जी
विकास, आपका कोई डिस्क्लोजर्स? और एक्चुअली आई डोंट थिंक एज एन डिस्क्लोजर, लेकिन शुक्रिया विकास हमारे साथ इस बातचीत में शामिल होने के लिए। मेघना आपका भी शुक्रिया हमारे साथ इस बातचीत में शामिल होने के लिए। आपका बाजार को यहीं खत्म करते हैं, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद आप देख सकते हैं कमोडिटी की खबरें। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।